Hi, I'm Damien Roy and welcome on my guitar lesson YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to restring your acoustic guitar. So you're going to need a couple different things here, like a pack of strings. You're going to need this here to cut the strings and to roll the tuning pegs here. And also, of course, a tuner. So enjoy. I hope this video will be useful to you. You can always subscribe to my guitar lesson YouTube channel there to get more videos of how-to and guitar lessons, of course. Also, you can like and ring that bell so you get notifications when there's new videos coming in. I also have a Patreon. If you like my work, you can subscribe and become a patron and support me. That'll be great. Enjoy. So the next step there is that I'm going to take out all the strings here. That will be much more easier for taking out all the pins here. So you've seen this one here popped out there. I got it out with my loonie here. Okay, so you can see it right there. Okay, I'm going to try to use the same pins for each string I'm changing. Okay. So here you see I've popped out all the strings out there. Okay, and now you have the pins that I have to take out right now to change. So I'm going to use my technique here, is that I'm using my arm right here. I'll try to show you here at the same time. I'm popping out, using my loonie. Oh, this one is out. So I'll put it right here. This is for the beat. I'm popping out this one right here, as you can see. There you go. Take it out. This is the G. Now let's get the D out there. They're not always easy to get out. Yeah, got this one out there too. This will be the D string. Now I'm going to do the A. I hope you can see. So I'm pressing on. See, it comes out there. There we go. I got the A out. Now the last but not the least, the E. So try not to break it there. This one is a little bit harder, but I got it out. And there we go. So take it out carefully out there. And there you go. Okay, so take all the strings out. And this is out there. So a little thing that you can do before changing your strings right here is to use a little nice cloth just to clean a little bit around your guitar like that. See? It's always good, and you have all kinds of products that you can put on and make it shine. Also here, between the frets, just clean your neck a little bit there, okay? I used to use like a little toothbrush there, soft one, just to clean in between the frets here. But it's not too dirty, so that's pretty fine. Okay, let's move on to the next step. So, I'm going to put back the pin here, the string going inside the pin here. So usually you're going to have this little ball here to block here. There's a little indentation in the pin here where you can place the string in. That's how it's going to block it. Pins don't last forever, so you can always order them or buy in a music shop if you break it. It happens time to time. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to put the pin back in. So I'm going to put it in this way here. So you see there's a little curve here on the guitar where you see that the string comes out. Okay? So you got to put that way where the string is there. So here we go. I'm going to put it in right here. and it's going to block it. I push it in, pull up the string, it's probably going to come out. So what you can do is that you can put all the pins in right now for each string, put each string in, and after starting, restringing your acoustic guitar. So there, I've changed my first string right here, as you can see. Okay. So I'm probably going to put my big string 6 on just to maintain this little part here so it doesn't move. Okay? Because you can move it here to take it off. So here you see I did string 6 right here. I put it in so it's maintaining here. And now I can move on to some other strings. So as you can see, I changed the 3 first strings and the big string right here, okay? So now I just have like string 4 and string 5 to change. So now all the strings have been changed here, as you can see, okay? I'll just have to cut off all the little dead ends here that make it more cleaner here, but you see, rolling them up, it's important, and you can go much more faster with this thing here, okay? So the last step here will be to tune the guitar. So of course, with the tension of the strings, the pins might come out there. So that's a little game that you're going to have to work on. It might come out and place some black in, but with the tension, they will stay in.